If you are looking for metal sheet cutting or welding machines, then look no further. Hi, we are Canlee, a robust high-tech factory situated in Hebei, China. Our experience in the welding and cutting industry can be traced back to 30 years ago. Now our factory size is over 36,000 square meters. That's about 9 acres. Canlee Laser has a staff of 120 people, more than 20 patents, and production equipment exceeding 230 sets. Canlee manufactures several machines, including fiber laser cutting machines, plasma CNC cutting machines, H-beam production line, and robot welding and cutting machines. Please let us know if you have any questions, and we'll get back to you right away.
Now, if you're brand new to this channel or you're not already a subscriber, make sure to hit the subscribe link and also the notification bell to be notified every time we upload a brand new video.
Hebei Canlee Electromechanical Technology Company Limited, founded in 2011. The company is in Xingtai Economic Development Zone of Hebei Province, it covering 66,000 square meters, which has a convenient traffic network to Beijing, Guangzhou High-Speed Railway, and Beijing-Shenzhen Express. We are the leading R&D center and manufacturer of intelligent welding and cutting equipment in North China, which products range from fiber laser cutting machines, CNC cutting equipment, H-beam production line, to robot system. We have CNC machining center, gantry milling machine, and various of inspection equipment up to 230 sets with 120 staff, 95% of whom are college degree or above. The company adheres to innovation-driven development, established the Laser Technology and Equipment R&D Center with Tsinghua University, Hebei Development Research Institute, in Tsinghua University, Zhengxi Incubation Base. It also set up Intelligent Manufacturing Equipment Research Center with Xingtai Polytechnic College. The company has built long steady cooperation with many famous domestic universities and science research institutions with strong product research and innovation capacity. As the provider of Industrial 4.0 program and supplier of key equipment, we've kept a good reputation from our clients from industries such as machine manufacturing, petrochemical industry, high railway, vehicle. We've been named as Hebei High-Tech Enterprise, Hebei Tech-Oriented SME, Hebei Innovation-Driven Model Enterprise, Hebei Strategic Emerging Industry Model Base, Hebei Brand Name Products, Hebei Technical Specialist Enterprise Workstation. We will do our best to serve customers worldwide.